Hello friends, welcome to this video on Microsoft Excel, and in this video we're going to take a look at how to insert dates in tables, in your data sheets, okay, in your spreadsheet, okay, how do you do that, okay, and I want to insert different kinds of date formats, okay, based on my needs. So what I'm going to do is first let me go to select one of the cells, okay, in the sheet, and then let me select the font here. Let me make it big. 28 or 36 is I think good. So let me write down, okay, the date. Okay, I'll say March 2022. Okay, hit enter. So you see a different kind of a date format got inserted. That's because I'm using a custom format here. But if you don't want to use, okay, you can click on general. Okay, so if you click on general, you see this format coming, but how do you do it? How do you do that यार? इतना सा सिंपल वीडियो बनाने में इतना टाइम लग रहा है. Now it's taking properly, right? Okay, let's get started again. Okay. Let me stop that. Hello friends, welcome to this video on Microsoft Excel. So in this video, we will see how we can insert dates, okay, in our spreadsheet, okay, and we want to insert like different kinds of dates, okay, like they can be in hour, month, second format, okay, they can be having AM, PM format, okay, they can be in the year, month, okay, date format, okay, so all these kinds of formats we want to experiment with, okay, and we'll see how we can do it very easily. So let's select one of the cells, okay, and let us write the date as say March-2022, hit enter. So you see that we wrote March-2022, so it automatically understood that it's a date, okay, and it, you know, formatted it in this way, okay, it like MAR-22, okay. So it shortened the format, okay, but I don't want to use the custom default format, okay, I want to use, okay, my own customized format, okay, from the available options. So what you need to do is you go to the home tab, okay, so let me click on the home tab, then go here, okay, and you will see general here, okay, so you have to go to custom. So what you do in custom, okay, you select more number formats, okay, click on that, and now you see under custom category you are having a lot of date formats, okay, whichever is useful for you, you can use it. So for example, I want to use this one, date, month, year, and hours and minute, okay, so I will click on this format and I'll click OK. So you see I'm getting my date also and I'm getting the time also, okay. So this is how. And if you see at the top right, under the home tab, okay, you also have the function tab, okay, where you know it's displaying your date, okay, as 1/3/2022 and 12 AM. So that's one way. Now let's experiment with another format, okay. So let me copy this here, okay, and let's say I want to change my custom date, okay, to another format. So I will go to custom, more number formats, and then I will again, let me select another format like let's select AM PM. So I will click on this and I'll click OK. So you see it's displaying the time as 12 AM, okay. So this based on, okay, what kind of data you are using, okay, you can change this. So this is how you can insert different kinds of date formats. All of these, okay, are used, okay, from this custom drop down, okay. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.